So today I'm going to give you a tour of the 2021 Toyota Corolla. This is my temp car because my Mazda is in a shop right now getting customized. But I'm just going to show you this car because I have not seen one of these in person. And it is the base model. I can definitely tell because it doesn't have, I don't really have much stuff in here, but it's pretty nice though. So this is what the interior looks like. It's cream and it's dirty because it is a rental, and it's kind of spacious in here a little. Let me see. This is the back. It's a 5-seater, or you can make it a 4-seater and put this thing down like that. And then these are cloth seats, so I think that's how you know it's a base model. And it has, okay, this touchscreen. This is touchscreen, and these are buttons right here. It's not sport mode, so it's another thing. And the only part that's digital is that part right there. And yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys the trunk too. But this is like a quick, tour of this car because it's not my car anyway. But I just want to show you guys. And the trunk, I love the trunk. It's so much space in this trunk. Like, that's a lot. You can put like a lot of baggage in here and stuff. And it doesn't have rims. It has hubcaps. So that's one thing I do not like. But it's not my car. But for a little temp car, it's pretty nice. I mean, I like it. And it says low to the ground too. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this car. Okay, subscribe to my channel.